back with the Nothing Phone 2 durability test video, and there's a lot to take note of. This device just launched a few hours ago, and it is already going through the testing process. It is good to note that this test has nothing to do with the device's software, but its hardware. Nothing fans and critics would be wondering how solid this device is, and they have their answers already. Would this device survive under the cruel hands of the smartphone hitman, or would it squeal in pain? This question bugs the minds of fans hoping to brag about the Phone 2 durability and critics hoping to throw shades at the device. Whichever category you fall into, the new durability testing video gives you the answers you seek. This will take a quick dive into details from the video and things fans and prospective buyers should take to mind. Let's now find out if the new device from Nothing is durable or if it is a flimsy device that can easily fall apart. Now, when it comes to the design of this new device, things stay quite similar. However, the glyph interface changes its pattern and the selfie camera changes its position. But how does it stand when it comes to the durability department? Well, answers are already available as Jerry rigs everything, put the device through certain tests. The tests include scratching, heat, and bending to push it to its limit. How do you think the Nothing Phone 2 holds up after being put through all these tests? First test was the scratch test, focusing on the screen of this device. To do this, he used various grades of sharpness from grade 2 to 10. Surprisingly, the device holds up, resisting every scratch up until grade 6 to 7 before scratches can be seen on the device's screen. Moving over to the flat sides, the Nothing Phone 2 fails the durability test by scratching up badly. Fans might wonder who exactly would want to deliberately scratch up their device. The scratch test gives you an idea of how this new device holds up when put under certain circumstances. To protect the sides of this device, a user might need to rely on a protective case to prevent scratches on the device's rear glass. It holds up well by resisting scratches even on the camera bumps. For the flame test, the screen gets a burn mark, but it does not affect the display. For the bend test, the Nothing Phone 2 holds itself together, resisting any cracks. However, you can see a notable gap in the rear end after more pressure is applied to the device while bending it, but the screen stays intact and withstands any damage even after being bent. This test proves that the Nothing Phone 2 is a very solid device. The device holds up to every single punch thrown at it by Jerry. It packs a punch when it comes to software performance, which is a solid point for buyers, and it appears to have E. Lastly, this device is available for sale in the US and might appeal to the younger generation. See our description box below where you can save $50 off the cost of your Nothing Phone 2 if interested. Thank you for viewing this video. You enjoyed the content, please pimp slap the like button for us and subscribe to our eSIM Studios YouTube channel. We purchased this device today. We will officially be the unofficial home of the Nothing Phone 2. Reviewing the device, software updates, cases, camera samples, and anything else you can think of. Just don't forget, you can now join and support us with memberships and with our online YouTube shop. We carry everything from custom shirts, hats, mouse pads, and anything else you can print on. Have a great rest of your day.